Welcome to Scorebuddy. My name is Robin and I'm a senior CSM here at Scorebuddy along with being one of the BI SMEs. The plan for today is to take you through how you can navigate through Scorebuddy's BI tool. Let's begin. So I'm just going to click back on our QA scores page. And from here, what I'm going to do is click on the share icon. So what we have here is the different ways in which you can share or export your reports. So you have your export to Excel, which of course will be your grids and show you all the figures there. Then you have your export to PDF. Export to PDF works great when you have spent so much time building out your reports to be colorful, to stick with your company brand. If you have a company logo in it, you'll be able to see it in the export for the PDF. And then any of your bars, bar graphs, pie charts, um, any of the additional visualizations that you have built will be represented within the PDF form. And then, of course, we have something that came new with the BI tool that we did not have in our analytics legacy, which is the option to subscribe to Dossier. So if we click on subscribe to Dossier, you can see here it brings you into the steps of how to create a subscription to your reporting dossier, your reporting chapters, and your reporting pages. So we can give it a name. You can create a bookmark for it. You'll select your formatting for it. If you come down, you can select then, of course, on, like I said, either the whole entire dossier, your chapters, or just specific pages. And then most importantly is your scheduler. So we have a few different options available. One being at the close of business day, then you have daily, you have first of month, or you have a Monday morning. So depending on what makes most sense to you and your company and how you guys report, we do have those options available. You can add a little note that will be included with the email of your reports. And then you also have your deliver to option. The way the deliver to option works is anybody in Scorebuddy that has access to the BI tool and has gone in to view the BI reports, they will appear in this dropdown to be added to your subscription list. Once you've done this, if you want a preview, you can click on send preview now to all recipients, and then you can click on subscribe. A little tip with the deliver to option, if there is anybody in the company that needs to receive some of these reports, but they do not need Scorebuddy access, you can always have them delivered to yourself. You can give a quick synopsis on the email and then just forward it on rather than having to still come into the system, click on export, make sure it looks exactly how you need it to, and then forward it on. You'll know when you create your subscription that it looks the way you need it to. So it's a lot easier just to pass on.